So I just finished my aerial yoga teacher training course, and it was so much fun. I learned so much about how far my body can go, and it was actually beyond my expectations. I thought it was just gonna be some fun postures and maybe some flying movements, but it was so artistic, and it had a lot of tough yoga asanas as well. And I also learned that it could be more than just having fun on the area. It could be a real workout, let's say, and we can also meditate on our aerial. We can do a full yoga, proper yoga session on our aerial, just flying up there. It felt so good and it was so much fun. The teacher was amazing, very clear with her instructions, and she always made sure to keep us safe. I just loved it.